Chatterjee, Director PMC Group, and introduction as it is an anchor model and entrepreneur. And I'm very glad that my friends from press have come here today. My team has come here. The honorable guest and few very close friends and family have come here to support me. And the theme for today is we did a show in January at Top Cat, and we with the support of Top Cat. Balbir Singh sir is here to support me even at Hyatt today. And there we had the support of many of the similar faces, and I mean looking forward to the continued support. So after doing the show, what I noticed is that grooming for a day or two, just preparing them for maybe 1 day, 2 day, couple of hours, does not make a complete package. Whichever industry you go, whether it be modeling, whether it be corporate, whether it be fashion, you need yourself to be presentable. Be it communication, be it dressing, be it interpersonal skills. So my academy is overall a grooming school. I would not say modeling school, but definitely modeling is the core part of it. But even it's open for housewives, for any other people who would like to polish their skills from within and come out of their shell, interact with people which might help them in the studies, the business. Even in corporates we have these training sessions. I am from corporates, we used to have these training sessions and all that. So that's the whole idea. Payal Mukherjee is one of our groomers. We have groomers on Tina. And the curtain raiser will be done by none other than beautiful Mrs. Richa Sharma. And definitely blessings and love of Mr. Sen, Indranil, and Bhatia sir today. I am glad he's here. And Sujay sir always beside me. And Payal is there, I know. And support of my people over there in the team. Salon partner Ikra Anandita Dasgupta. We have Neha, my full-time fashion designer. I just love what she makes. John again will be taking care of our styling. So there is John. And who else did I miss? Minu Saris is one of our wardrobe partners. So many of our models will get opportunities to shoot for their brands post-grooming. And the announcement here next is, after the grooming school, what we will do is we'll do a couple of shows on different themes. So the first theme which we have selected is cultural fashion show, because it's April, which is Poila Vaishak, Pochishe Boishakh, then we have Eid. So we are targeting, if everything is fine post-election and COVID situations, keeping in mind, end of May we might have a small cultural show with the students enrolled in the grooming academy as well as open to public. And the social aspect which I thought, everybody worked with men, women, kids, teen, transgenders. What about our senior citizens? They have been locked in their homes since last 1.5 years. They want to breathe, they want to enjoy, they want to see their kids happy and keep themselves happy. So in my fashion show which happened in Top Cat, we could not even ask many of our family members who were little above 55, 60 to come to see. But this time we are planning to keep a special walk for the senior citizens. We are talking with a couple of old age homes. Even our family members, we have our grannies, we have our parents who are open to do this, they would be a part of it. I hope that everybody likes and supports me with this idea. I always come with something like this. And to start off with, that's the calendar of Jan. And this is the curtain raiser which will happen for May. So I think I briefed. I would hand over the mic to my people who come here to support, and then we'll do the curtain raiser. So we'll start off with right or left. Let's start with ma'am. Ladies first. Ma'am,
very warm good evening to everybody, and especially to all the guests and friends, and also to the media, because media is a very important part to spread the word, and as we say, together we make a difference. And this zeal to learn at any age or whatever profession, I think if you have that, Grooming Institute, something like that is a very, very big platform. As Bilkis said just now, that for housewives or for anything. Even if you are working in a bank, even if you are, you want to be a model, you want to do anything, and grooming is something I think that even now I learn a lot of things from my friends. I learn even from Bilkis. I learn from my daughter too. So if we get something as an institute which Bilkis is planning to open, I think that I'll be the first one to attend the class. And yes, all the very best, Bilkis, and thank you to everybody for joining us here. Thank you so much.
That was encouraging, and yes, you definitely will attend. As a student or teacher, that will top off flying. Okay, and next, a person who's been inspiration to me since a couple of years post marriage. So there was a time when I used to travel this new town area and not see anything, and now when I travel, I keep on staring from the window and whatnot. So I don't need to say anything about him. He's been there beside me since my first project. So over to sir.
Good evening, everybody. I was invited in the calendar launch as well, and I think it's a wonderful thing that is being attended here. And my reason for coming here is that in Newtown, Kolkata, we are trying to do something for the elderly citizens, and I'm very proud that there is one senior citizens club that we have done, and they are very happy doing picnics, organizing Durga Puja, traveling together, and so on and so forth. And we also have a Snehodaya. We don't call it old age home at all. We say a lifestyle for the seniors. And to bring color to this lifestyle, a fashion show would certainly add color to it on top of the Durga Puja and the Saraswati Pujas. So here is Bilkis, who comes in one of these days to Shopnobo and sees for herself how this whole event around senior citizens, cultural events are happening. And she says, I will organize a beauty pageant with the senior citizens. I really like that idea, and that is why I am here. Let us do something for all sections of the society, not merely those who are very handsome, very young, and who can manage on their own. Thank you, Bilkis, for being with everybody.
Thank you so much. So I did not give introduction, but I don't think I need to introduce Devashi Sen, sir, Honorable Chairman HIDCO. So next we have in no order. So when I first came into this fashion industry, my first grooming expert was Indranil. Everybody knows him by face, and today I'm glad he's a part of people who've come here to support me for my next venture. So can I have a few words from you, Neil?
Thank you, Bilkis. Very good evening to all of you. It's a very proud moment for me today because Bilkis was one of my very first mentees. She was a banker when she came into this line, and she was very new to the glamour world, and I had the opportunity to mentor her. So it's very nice to see that she's doing something now where she's going ahead and spreading the knowledge to everybody, and it's a very noble initiative, and I wish her and the team all the very best.
Thank you so much, and it's definitely a surprise and motivational feeling that me now going to, we cannot compare ourselves with Indranil and other richer man, but we are trying our level best to what we can. And there's one person who's always been beside me also since couple of years. Everybody knows Surya Visa sir. So can I hear from him a couple of words, please?
The name of Bilkis Parveen Chatterjee fascinates me like anything. I've never heard a name like this before, and but I like to hear this afterwards. In a country like India, in a multidimensional country like India, where the number of religions and that we fight for religion, I find a sister in Bilkis Parveen Chatterjee. I keep on saying his full name. He says Bilkis Parveen, sometimes Chatterjee. I said Bilkis Parveen Chatterjee. And that's the first point of attraction towards her. In fact, not many people in the industry is liked by my wife, Professor Dr. Chandra Vishat, who is a professor of English in Xavier College, but Bilkis is surely one of them. And Bilkis believes in success, and that success, for that, he is willing to take a step forward. It says that if you have to make your dreams come true, you have to first start dreaming. Starting from as a multinational banker, leaving the job for passion is something which is required for success. You know that people says, and I quote, the success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of clouds of doubt, and you never know how close you are. You may be near, but it seems so far. So stick to the fight when your heart is hit. It's when things seem worse that you must not quit. Bilkis hasn't quit. He has started in January with the Face of West Bengal concept, which was a runaway hit. In midst of the pandemic, it was a runaway hit. And I was honored there also to have none other than HIDCO chairman. You know that I move on from political parties. I keep on meeting on all the political parties, and I knew that every party wanted him as a candidate over here because he has shaped the shape of HIDCO. And he was there, so when he appreciated, it gave me more confidence to stand beside Bilkis. Now this is a fashion club. A club, it's not that you go and have something. It's a club which is for empowerment of the woman gender. It's for empowerment of the whole country, the whole city of Calcutta, the state of West Bengal, the country of India. We call up Sonar Bangla, and the Sonar Bangla is not going to happen through any political party, any political leader or political people. Sonar Bangla will be made by Sonar Bangali like Bilkis, myself, Sir, Payal, and all others who are Richa and all others who are over here. এবং সোনার বাংলার জন্য বাঙালিদের কাজ করতে হয়. Bilkis is doing one of them. Grooming is just a very small part. It's like, you know, you have to keep on counseling them. I will end with my talk with some of the things that I said. I said good thoughts lead to good actions. Just try to remember, good thoughts lead to good actions lead to good habits lead to good character, and good character leads to good destiny. So the destiny for the people of Bengal is going to be good with people like Bilkis Parveen Chatterjee and his husband and her husband doing all the great work. And I will definitely be grooming all of them who are going to come over here. As Jack Ma says that after 50 work for the younger generation. So from across 50 I will work for them and try to contribute with value addition as much as I can. And I know that if I try, it will be successful. Because it says, and I quote, "कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती." Thank you so much.